Hey everyone, I am Adin and today we're looking at a new quadcopter that was sent to me by GearBest. I'm pretty excited to check it out. I requested it, so it's a drone that I wanted to buy and wanted to review. So here it is. It's not like groundbreaking or anything, but I'm pretty excited about it. This is Hubsan's version of a cheap racing drone. So what they've done is, I've never bought myself a racing drone because they're so ridiculously expensive and they're just a pit of money. I think Hubsan are onto something. And it's all plastic, it's got a carbon fiber frame. I think the parts are Hubsan are very good with keeping parts. The parts are gonna be cheap. For someone getting into racing drones, this is really good. But wait, there's more. With this, I'll double check the price, I'll put it up here. With this, for about $150, you're getting goggles as well. I mean, think if you're a DJI fan, think of how much those goggles cost. This is a racing drone, you can race around the forest or whatever you want to do, and you get goggles. That's really cool. Okay, so let's open it up. We fly with your dreams. This is so nice. This is the little drone. Oh, and these, I really enjoyed the sun hood. You know, this is really nice. You get to see your LCD screen nice and clearly. So here's the goggles. I think I'm more excited about the goggles. So inside here, you got your goggles and your LCD display. Woo! This is really, I haven't been excited about a drone like this for a while. Whoa, this is, okay, this is way bigger than I expected. I'll get some shots of it on my head just now. Oh, and the LCD screen is inside there. It's to show you, okay. So that goes in there, clips in, the aerial comes out here, and you pop that on. Okay. The drone. Oh, but look at that. Here's my hand. I've got small hands. It's tiny. And it's very bare bones, just like a racer should be. You've got your battery exposed here with a little Velcro strap. That's the battery cable here, a connection cable. It's got a nice carbon fiber frame. Come out here. These are just plastic. It's got a bit of heft to it. And then it's got a cute little beasting aerial on the back. Here's your FPV camera, which is adjustable. If you know you're going to be going fast, you set it up like that. That looks like a LED light in the front. Carbon fiber on the sides as well. It's, for the price, man, wow. I mean, obviously we're going to fly it. We'll see what it flies like, but I really think Hubsan are onto something here. A cheap racing drone. I mean, 30C. Okay, so it's, you know, it's got a high power output. I'm definitely going to order some more of these. Cool. Oh, the controller, of course. I like the format of this new controller. As you can see, it's not altitude hold because it's a racing drone. So that just pops on there. Really nice. And it's a cool looking screen. I mean, you know, these LCD screens, these FPV screens, they're expensive. There you go, there's that little LED light there. Oh, little baby light on the back there. That's so cute. Very, very cool. This thing is huge. I wear glasses and I don't know if I'm going to check the manual, but I don't know if I can adjust the screen inside here, but it's a little bit blurry. And I can't really, there's not much room to fit my glasses in. So this screen has got a few functions. You can switch the telemetry on or off. You can switch the LED on and off on the quadcopter. Various camera functions. I think you can actually do a screen recording, which a lot of FPV guys like. So they've really given this a little bit of thought and a bit of power. Immediately I can see this thing has got incredible amounts of power. It's basically those little micro drones that Hubsan made on a bigger scale. And I don't want to take it off now, but I took off a little bit, flew around the room, and it's very quick. I need to take this outside before I give it a nice test. I also want to figure out how the screen recording works so that I can do a screen recording for you. Very, very nice. So far, I'm super impressed. It looks cool. It's the perfect size for a beginner. I think it's low enough costs to be enjoyable without being complete rubbish. You know, like a lot of these manufacturers, they cut costs, but they also cut on quality, whereas you can just see this is manufactured nicely. They really seem to have taken a lot of care with this little racing drone. So far, very impressed. I really hope it flies well, but if they're micro quadcopters, they're nano quadcopters, or anything to go by, I love the H122D, the 111C, the H002. I love all those little quadcopters. So if they're anything like this, and this looks like it's just next level, I think it's going to be amazing. But first I'm going to do... Shh, dogs. But first I'm going to do the proverbial YouTuber interrupting himself to take a drink. Green tea. Energy, you know? High in antioxidants, anti-aging. Keep that age away.